Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12S and I want to show you how clean up cache and data on this device. To clean it, open Settings application where we look for our apps selection, which is there, and there tap on apps. There we have lists of our all application. Now we must find application which we want to clear, maybe camera, and there storage. To clear only cache we click on clear cache, but I don't have it and I can clear it, but to do that we must click on clear cache, or to clear all data we tap on clear data and confirm by OK and we clear it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!